So I'm excited to be here at Meadowview specifically because it is my community and it's just such a special place. Everyone here wants what's best for kids and is rowing in the same direction. It is incredible the welcome that I've had here and just all the connections and the work that I've already seen from our staff has just been incredible, and that's just over the summer. I look very forward to continuing to work to help Meadowview continue to grow. You know, it's been doing amazing things. Everyone here has been for years, and I want to continue that work and continue to make the community proud.
And I 100% agree with Mr. McCamish. Everyone here has been so welcoming and inviting. I feel like I've worked here a long time and I've only been here a month. So I'm excited to get in there. I can't wait to grow closer once I meet all the families and students and just work together to have a great school year and great learning.
As we get the school year started, don't forget to bring in your supplies. You can find those here, and they are also on our Facebook and on our website. There is the new district policy regarding water bottles, so students are welcome to bring in water to drink throughout the day as long as that is in a clear plastic bottle.
So my main goal is to get my feet wet, of course. This is my first year teaching, so I really want to be able to practice my classroom management and make sure that I can make the classroom run effectively. I'm really excited to get started, and I just want to get to know the students and make this year the best that it possibly can be.
Hi, my name is Erica Scott. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Meadowview Elementary School. One of our goals this year is building relationships with families and students.
My name is Christine Carmen. I teach first grade at Meadowview Elementary, and my favorite subject to teach is math, also some science. My goal for the upcoming year is to help the first graders develop a love of learning, curiosity, and to know that, like Grogu, even though they're small, they are stronger than they think and they can do mighty things. I really hope in my classroom you feel valued, respected, and that I help you learn to love learning.
My name is Grace Vance, and I teach second grade, so I teach all the subjects, but we mainly focus on reading and phonics and math and writing.
What is your favorite subject to teach, or favorite subject that you took in school?
My favorite subject to teach is our phonics continuum. I really like teaching them. It teaches them how to read and to write.
And what is your goal for the upcoming year?
My goal for my students this year is to feel safe when they come to school and have fun and to learn anything new.
My name is Crystal Bradley. This is Logan. This is his second year at Meadowview. He's going to be in first grade. He is nonverbal, but we hope that he increases communication, and he thrives with music, so we expect that to continue this year. Our favorite thing about Meadowview is the small community feel. Everybody's a part of his team. There's not anyone that's going to tag out of Team Logan. It's all hands on deck, very collaborative, and they take very good care of my son.